thought it was safe. If you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome. We're glad to have you. Today I have another Thredup box. This is what they call a fun box, and it's basically a mystery box. And it has up to 20 items in it, it says. And here's my paper for it. I can't remember what I paid for it. Let me find out. $32. It was $32. And now I've heard some of the other girls saying that they usually go with the theme or whatever, so we'll see what the theme is, or if there's a theme, because you know. But it's a smaller box than the rest of them, but good things come in small packages. When you open it up, it looks like that. And of course, if you don't know what a Thredup rescue box is, Thredup is basically where they resell used items, you know, designer items or whatever. And then when they have something on there for so long that doesn't sell, or they just don't have time to process it, then they put them in what they call a rescue box. And people can buy them and either use them for their own purposes, or they can resell the items on places like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. Oh, there's every day there's a new one. But it's good for the environment. And since I do a lot of donations and stuff, they're good for that too. So anyway, you open it, and this is what you see, the Thredup tissue paper. You know, just like a little gift, but some of the resellers complain when they put that sticker on there, but I don't. Ooh, I see something interesting, but I won't do it yet. You can see I got these. These are Land's End. I don't know what size they are, but I wonder if they fit my mama. My mama would probably like them. Let's see. Should have got. Do I got any glasses in here? Oh no, I was working in there on the computer. Hold on a minute. I did it again. Sorry. They're a size 7, and they look like they've never been used. And that happens to be the size my mama wears, so she probably will like those. So that's cool. We like that when that happens. Well, then we have this J. Crew necklace. I don't know any values of this stuff. I've been having trouble with my editing video, and this is a triple strand necklace with a Ladybug clasp. I like that. Don't know how it works, but you know I'm going to find out. No, I may not. No, I may not. How the heck does it work? I don't know. I have no idea how this clasp works. Let's see. I have no idea. You know, Dollar Tree jewelry doesn't do this. Interesting. And you can see it does say J. Crew on it. And here's the little bag that it comes in. So that's nice. Yeah, jewelry from the Dollar Tree doesn't do that. Next. I'll have to look it up somewhere and figure it out, because I have no idea how to open and close it. They have no idea what runners they sell stuff to. Here's another J. Crew jewelry. I hope it's got a clasp I can figure out. And it is, looks to be a little tarnished, but it has a lobster clasp. And I'm not really sure if that's tarnished or if it's just supposed to be that way. But it's pretty. Nonetheless, let's see, it has a lobster clasp, you know, and it's, you know, got like 4 settings on it, but yeah, we can clean that anyway. It probably should be cleaned anyway. It's very pretty, and it's also J. Crew. So, ha ha! I got one that I know how to work. Yeah, they just don't sell our kind of stuff, do they? Well, okay, then the next thing is a belt. It's probably for those skinny bitches, because, you know, we don't care. I have my own belt I wear every day. Let's see. It's medium, so it's J. Crew also. So, genuine. Why struggle? Genuine Italian leather and imported parts made in the USA. That's how they get away with that. That's what they do with the cars too. They import the parts and have them put together here. And then they say, oh, they're made in America. No, they're not. The parts ain't made here too. That ain't American made. And then we have a bra, and it's new with tags. Ooh, a lift bra. Let me see if I can figure out how to open the package. But it does have where you don't let your kids play with it. Let's see. And it's a 34C, and it's, the heck does that say? Warner's, I think it, yeah, Warner's 34C, wire-free lift. Just say that, bras go, and it's still new with tags. The tags are right there. Then we got a beanie, and it's new with tags, and it's the Grove Clothing Supply. It's new with that is cute. That is really cute. I like that. I do like that one. And then we have a pair of mittens. I don't think I've had mittens since I was in elementary school. They're warm. They are warm. I probably shouldn't be putting them on though, huh? I may not be able to get them off. And they are, let's see. Babadoo? Babadoo? I can't read it. Hold on a minute. I think I need a light. Babadoo? Who knows? But they're nice. They are nice. And then we have socks. These are the Smart Wool Everyday Skid Resistant. Size medium. I hate socks. I hate shoes. I hate the whole ordeal. Oh, and then we have this little tiny thong. Can you imagine one of us old ladies in one of these little suckers? I remember when they first came out, these things, I was like, oh Lord, not me. $6 for this little piece of cloth. And it's a size small. And it's odding, but it's size small. And I bet they got all of $2. Look, they had to put that little piece of lace so they could put the tag in it. Yeah. In our day, we would never wear that butt floss. And then we have, I don't know what this is. I'm assuming it's a scarf that goes just around your neck. What do they call them things? Dickies. Remember when they used to have the Dickies that was the fake turtlenecks? Well, I think that's what basically that is. It's not really a complete scarf. It's just so it stays in its position. And then we have jammy pants. And they got birdies on them. All kinds of birds. Let's see what else. These are Lilko. And I think they're an extra large. Gee, I was just needing a new one, but they're flannel, so that might make me too hot to sleep because I have problems in that area. And then we have this little number. That's interesting. Let's see what it is. And look inside. It's got this whole side, and then you got a zipper pouch here. And you got all these little pockets for cards and stuff on this side. But it's cute. Let's see if there's a name somewhere. Made in China. 100% patent leather, but it is cute. It is cute. So we'll give it a pass because it's cute. It is cute. Then lastly, we have this monstrosity. This is nothing I would carry. This is nothing I'm... This is... Does that say Neiman Marcus? Is that what that says? Are you serious? This is butt ugly. Yeah, that's what it says. That is what it says. But this is butt ugly. So, okay. There you go. Let me get you. That, I'm assuming that it's leather, because you can kind of feel the grain. Yeah, it's kind of ugly. Am I crazy? I mean, I know it's... I mean, it's big. But it looks like it's never been used, which I wouldn't be seen with it either. Oh well, we're going to count how many things we got now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does it count as a 1? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I think the one I bought did say it came with 11 pieces. Or it came with 10 pieces. So I got more than what I'm supposed to. But it changes every time they send them. These are hard to get. I had to stock the page and stock the page and stock the page to get this one. I'm still trying to get other ones just to see what they are. And I've always made my money back so far. So that's the important thing. And what I do is I make my money back and then I donate some of the other stuff. I just had a big donation today, so stuff does not go to waste around here. So if you like what you see here, and I'll try to put some kind of comps for these on the thing, but like I said, I'm having trouble with my video editor. I don't know what happened. They upgraded and it went kaput. Suddenly now it doesn't want to read MP4s. What the heck? So I've been messing with it for a week and I still haven't got it right. So if you like what you see here, we do all kinds of unboxings. We do mystery boxes. We do resale boxes. We do FabFitFuns. We do lifestyle, beauty, whatever. Any way of saving money, we find it. So feel free to join us. Hit that subscribe. And if you like this video, give me a like and I'll know if this is the kind of content you like.